Hello viewers, grace and peace be multiplied unto you. You are all welcome back to our learning section, and our strand for today, geometry measurement, third strand, measurement of time. Now, last week we learned about time, that is, we talk about the weeks. Now, we learned that we have 7 days in the week, and they are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we say that the days go together, like they go in order and get a week. The weeks to go in order, and then we get, in 4 weeks, we get a month. The same way the months go in order, and then we get a year. So 12 months, we get a year. We got to know that the months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. We said that out of the 12 months, 4 of the months, they have 30 days, and they are April, June, September, and November. They have 30 days. So out of the 12, we get the 4 out, we get 8. So out of the 8, 7 of them to have 31 days, and they are January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. They have 31 days. And it's only one of the months that has 28 days or 29, and this month is February. We got to know how the calendar too works. Now, today we are coming to talk about time telling. Time telling. And our objective for today is identify the use of the clock hands. Identify the use of the clock hands, and identify and tell a given time. Identify and tell a given time. So by the end of the lesson, the pupil will be able to identify the use of the clock hands, and they'll be able to tell a time. Identify the time and then tell it. And our keywords, we have instruments, we have digital, and then we have analog. Instrument, digital, analog. Now with the instrument, it's a tool. Any instrument is a tool. And then we have the digital. In the digital, it talks about figures. And the analog talks about the device that usually you represent it in a physical order. So this is an analog clock, and this is a digital clock. Now, time. What time did you wake up in the morning? What time did you eat your breakfast? What time did you go to bed? Now, out of these sentences that I made, all of them, we have time. Now, what is the instrument that we use to measure time? We use watch to measure time. We use clock tool to measure time. So we have clock and watch or clocks on the board. Now, with the watch or the clock, we have 2 different times. We have analog clock, and then we have digital clock. Analog clock, digital clock. Now with the analog clock, you can see that even though the figures are there, the numbers are there, we still have hands. You can see some lines with arrow. So when you see a clock and you see hands with arrow, or lines with arrow, you see that it is an analog clock. When you see a clock with only the figures on it, then it is a digital clock. Now, these are the hands of the clock. So we say that these hands will tell you the time. So with time tell, we have 3 hands on a clock. 3 hands on the clock. We have the short one, we have a long one, we have another long one. Now with the short one, it is very thick. The line is thick. The long one, we have one that is thick and the other one is thin. One that is thick and the other one is thin. Now, the short, thick line is used to tell the hour. So it is the hour hand. The short, thick line is the hour hand. Now, the long, thick line is used to tell minutes. The long, thick line is used to tell minutes. So it's the minute hand. And the thin line is used to tell seconds. The thin line is used to tell seconds. Sometimes you see a clock and it has only 2 lines. Others have 3 lines. Now, we have here 60 seconds. So whenever you see the thin line going round, it counts, whenever it goes round and it counts 60. With the thin line, when it counts 60, you see that the thick long line will move from one number to the next number. When it moves from one number to the next number, that means we've gotten 1 minute. When the thin line goes round, the number is 60 times. The thick line will move from one number to the next number and we get 1 minute. So 60 seconds will give you 1 minute. And 60 minutes, that is the thick long line. When it goes round 60 times, you get 1 hour. Meaning the short thick line will move from one number to another number. So this short number and line is used for hours. So whenever this thick line goes round 60 times, this one will move to the next number. So we say 60 minutes gives us 1 hour. 60 minutes, 1 hour. 24 hours, 1 day. 24 hours, 1 day. 24 hours, 1 day. 7 days will give you what? 1 week. 7 days will give you 1 week. And then 4 weeks will give you 1 month. 4 weeks will give you 1 month. 12 months will give you 1 year. 12 months will give you 1 year. 365 days, like I said last week, 365 days will give you 1 year. And then 366 days will give you 1 leap year. So meaning when February has 28 days, you get 1 year. That is 365. When February has 28 days. But when February has 29, then you get 366 days. That will give us 1 leap year. And I said leap year always counts 4 years. In every 4 years, you get 1 leap year. So 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. 24 hours, 1 day. 7 days, 1 week. 4 weeks, 1 month. 12 months, 1 year. 365 days, 1 year. 366 days will give you what again? 1 leap year. Now let's come to our clock. So we are now coming to look at the time. Now I said that when the short thick line is on a number, that's when you get the hour. So the short thick line is used to tell the hour. So you can see that the short thick line is on the number 8. Now, whenever the thick long line is on the 12th number, whenever the thick line is on the 12th number, and the short thick line is on another number, we say that it is an old clock. So 8 is here. The short thick line is on the number what? 8. So we say that what is the time? The time is what? 8 o'clock. So we write it here. 8 o'clock. 8:00. 8 o'clock. So that is it. When the thick line is on 12 and the short thick line is on a number, that's when you get your whole clock. But when the thick line is on another number, not on 12, the thick long line on another number, but not on 12. It is not a whole clock. Now, let's come to our next clock. Now, on our next clock, you can see that we have a thick line there, the thick long line, and then the short thick long line on the same number, that is 12. I said when the long thick line is on 12, it is whole clock. So you can see that the short one too is on 12. So meaning it is what? 12 whole clock. Because the short line will tell you the time. And it is on 12 at the same time when the long thick line too is on 12. So we get what? 12 whole clock. So always remember to use the short thick line for the hour and the long thick line for minutes. The short thick line is for hour and the long thick line is for minutes. So let's go over. I said that the long thick line is the minute hand, short thick line is the hour hand, long thin line is seconds. And I say we have what? Two types of clock. We have the analog clock and the digital clock. The digital, with the digital, you see the figures on them, or the digit. That's why we are saying that it is digital. The digit, that's the numbers, is on them. And then with the clock, the analog, you see the numbers, but you see the hands on it. And with the time, you get to get your 60 seconds, making 1 minute, 60 minutes, 1 hour, 24 hours, 1 day, 7 days, 1 week, 4 weeks, 1 month, 12 months, 1 year, 365 days, 1 year, 366 days to give you what? 1 leap year. When we go to our clock, and we say before you get a whole clock, your thick line should be on 12. Your thick long line should be on 12, and the short line will tell you the hour. So the short thick line will tell you the hour, and the long thick line tells you the minute. I hope you've understand. When you don't understand, go through again and review it. I'll meet you again. Bye bye.